Binance has to pay 4.3 billion in settlements with the US government. This comes after the government criminally charges Binance with conspiracy, conducting unlicensed money transferring business, so money laundering, violation of International Emergency Economy Act powers. So CZ has been banned from engaging or managing Binance operations, so he has stepped down as the CEO. And Binance allowed ISIS, Al Qaeda, Hamas, and to interact on its platform, according to the US government. That uncertainty has caused 1.3 billion in user funds being withdrawn from Binance following the US government indictment. And now CZ has been released on a $175 million bond. So the crypto has been reacting to this news in the last few hours and day, but generally Bitcoin really hasn't really reacted that negatively, as it dumped a little bit yesterday, but this is nothing really to shout home about, because I mean, if we look on the larger time frames, this is a very, very small candle. Although we are in quite overextended areas, and I have been calling for a pullback. Remember, trading isn't about predicting, it's about probabilities. And when I say I want to see us pull back here, this is only because I want to see a healthy chart to the upside. I was also quite bearish on some of the altcoins, as some of them were pretty overextended. And when you get people like Alex Becker, who's a professional analytics analyzer that's built many different companies, all valuating millions of dollars on analytics, coming out exactly at the top of this market and shilling new altcoins, then you need to know something is up, that maybe the local high is in, that the retracement is on the board. So this is Binance coin. It was trading, spiking up, and now rejecting. You would have expected a larger pullback than this, but the market only did, I mean, that is a 20% move in a pretty quick move. But news like this is generally someone knows about a news like this before it happens, and they'll take positions before that. Either way, some of the altcoins are actually pulling back now. This is the total market cap, including BTC. We are above breakout levels, so I won't be surprised if we come down and retest this breakout level. That is a sign of strength. Total 2 without BTC and stablecoins, we still haven't broken out here. We are rejecting at this breakout level at 66 billion. Do we see a retracement to the middle of the range, to the 50%? That would still be healthy. I think any one of these levels would be pretty good, as long as we continue to hold these higher lows. We can see upside targets in the future and all-time highs. Altcoins aren't going anywhere. Things generally stay the same. Very few things change over time, so I don't think the altcoins aren't going away anytime soon, as some people might be selling you. The altcoins will do well, and we will have an alt season when the crypto market eventually explodes in 2024 and 2025. But this will not happen unless we start seeing all-time highs in the S&P and Nasdaq for people to increase their risk appetite. Unless that happens, I don't see us having an alt season or a massive run anytime soon. Total 3, this is the market cap excluding BTC, ETH, and stablecoins, now falling below the breakout level that we talked about in a past episodes. This is good. In fact, I was a little bit concerned because we are very, very early in the cycle still, and I wanted to see us trend sideways a little bit more. So we are breaking below breakout points. Let's consolidate at these areas for a little bit while into the middle of next year, maybe all the way to the halvening, because generally the altcoins tend to take off when the halvening happens, as I've shown in previous videos as well. So others are the small market cap coins. Now this has broken out with quite a lot of conviction. So maybe we come down and retest this breakout level. This is the market cap excluding the top 10 coins. So these are the other coins. So your smaller cap coins, your more speculative coins, they have been performing better than your larger altcoins. So BNB taking a little bit of punishment, a little bit uncertainty in the market, but like I always say, fundamental analysis is generally lagging. You can look at these things earlier in the charts, or you can see these things very early in the charts. Many of the altcoins, this is Link, are now pulling down. Let's look at Solana. In fact, Alex Becker came right on the top. His previous video was 10 days ago, so he came in right at the top of this market. It doesn't mean these coins can't go higher, right? But this is a little bit too early in the cycle. We need to come down and at least retest these breakout levels. The market moved pretty quickly here. It's going to move pretty quickly down here. I wouldn't say that BNB is the cause of this pullback, as the pullback only the news only came out yesterday, while we've already topped out in many of these coins. You can see on my indicators here that there are bearish prints here, and I'm pretty sure you can find bearish divergences on these charts as well. So a pullback will be healthy. Let's see how the market reacts to the news that is coming out now. Very surprised at how well the market has actually held up in this uncertainty. With that being said, do check out the links in the description down below. Check out my Patreon. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You need to listen to me at your own risk. I am just simply a dude on the internet. Remember to always play from a position of strength. Wait for the market to come to you to buy. Don't chase green candles. And don't get wrecked. There's still a bull market ahead and lots of gains to be made. So with that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers for now and bye-bye.